Okay, welcome everyone. Wonderful to see everybody. Last night we were tight by the first marathon. We never had that before. We're going to start the fourth parak now of Kesuvos, and we have a very special dedication today. The Mermelstein family is dedicating the shir on the Yortzeit Le'ilui Nishmas Aaron ben Avraham. His neshama should have a lichtige Gan Eden. He should be a Melz Yosher for his family, for all of us and all of Klal Yisrael. We also are dedicated to Nishmas Basi Bas Rabbi Shalom ben Avram Levi Parol Bas Ruvain for Chaim ben Avram ben Yam Beinish L'fu Shalem El Yomis ben Chayei Sarah, for the schus of Avram ben Yam Beish ben Malchus and family, and by Yol Klugman and family. So Narish in Ispatza, a maiden of 12 years and 1 day, up till 12 and a half years and 1 day, if she's seduced, so bashta, her humiliation, upigama, the fact that she's devalued, uknasa, and the 50 shkalim of the knas, shalavia, go to the father. Vatsar betvusa, and additionally, the pain in the case of a rape goes to the father. The badin actually mesav, if the father was alive when they issued the verdict, so then Hariain Shalab, the money is the father's. Then if Mesav, if the father dies before it's collected, it goes to the father's Yoshim, which are her brothers. Hariain Shalachim, it goes to the father's Yoshim, which are the sons, the girl's brothers. However, Lo Yespika Lamed B'din Ach Mesav, if the father died before they issued the verdict in court, then Hariain Shal Atzma, then the money goes to the girl herself. Similarly, Omda Badin Achalei Bagra, if they issued a verdict before she got to the age of 12 and a half and 1 day, it belongs to the father, Hariain Shalav. If Mesav, if the father dies, then Hariain Shalachim, the brothers inherit it. Lo Yespik Lamed B'din Bagra, but if they didn't get to issue the verdict until she became 12 and a half and 1 day, then the money is awarded to her. Harihain Shal Atzma. Reb Shimon argues on something. Reb Shimon says, even if they issued the verdict, if the money wasn't collected yet and the father died, it goes to the girl. Reb Shimon Aimer speak a ligvais. If they didn't collect the money at Shemesa of until the father died, Harihain Shal Atzma, it goes to the girl. Mais Yodel Mitziasa, however, her handiwork, her paycheck, and lost articles that she found while she was a Nara, even if the father didn't get a chance to collect it, the father didn't get it, and he dies, Mesa of, while she's a Nara, even Reb Shimon agrees, Hariain Shal Achen, that goes to the brothers, that goes from the time that she found it, or that she earned the check, and therefore it was already awarded to the father, and that therefore goes to the brothers and not to her. Now, until she gets married, she's in the reshus of her father. And therefore, if she gets divorced after an engagement, she's still in the reshus of her father, or she gets divorced after, or widowed after an engagement, the ksuva goes to the father. So Amare says, Bita, if he gives his daughter into Erison, the Gersha, and she got divorced before the marriage was consummated, and then Erisa, then she gets engaged again, Binis Armala, and she gets widowed before the marriage was consummated. She's still in the father's rishus, and therefore Kesuvos Shalai. Both Kesuvos go to the father. He see her, but if let's say she got engaged and the marriage was consummated, the Gersha, and she got divorced, and then she got married, Minis Armala, and she got widowed, both of those Kesuvos go to her. Because when she gets married, she goes out of the rishus of the father. Kesuvos Shalai, both Kesuvos go to her. Reb Yehuda says no. The first Kesuva goes according to when it became a chiyuv. And therefore, the first ksuva, when she was in the rishus of the father, the first ksuva is awarded to the father. Rabbi Yehuda Aimer Harishayna Shel Av, the first ksuva is awarded to the father. However, the Chachamim retort, no way. Once she gets married, she gets out of the rishus of the father, and therefore, at the time of the collection, she is not in the rishus of the father. Amru Lai Mishisiya, once she gets married, Ein Lavi Rishusba, the father has no rishus over her anymore, and therefore, even the first ksuva is awarded to the girl. Tonight, as you see, I learned the Mishna now on the video, because tonight we will have Daf, Ma'ariv at 7:45, then Daf, and then a Chok. And interestingly enough, the Chok tonight will include the third parak of Kesuvos. So it's going to be a review of the whole third parak of Kesuvos. Thank you very much for joining us.